Okay, so I have a 2016 Honda Accord, and the customer is requesting a transmission fluid service. So what you're going to do is I have the car up in the air, and it's very simple. There's no filter that he wants to service. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull this drain plug out. I'm going to get you set up for that. So on this particular one, this is just a 3/8 open end, or a 3/8 ratchet, sorry. Just pop it free. And I like to use like a painter's bucket, because it gives me like how much I'm taking out of it, so I know about how much to put in. You're going to keep this real close and then pull it right out. That was a good catch, wasn't it? We're going to let that drain. While it's draining, here's what the drain plug looked like. It's got like, I don't know, just like metal shavings that stuck to it. Nothing major, that's pretty typical. I'll wipe that off. Just wipe this off. We'll get it nice and clean. Okay, so I let this drain for a little while. There's nothing coming out of there now, so we're going to put this back in. Righty tighty, lefty loody, Lucy. And I've removed about, well, tilting it isn't going to help, but I got about just under 4 quarts out of it. And so now I know about how much to put back in. We're going to tighten this down. Put a new washer on there already. You didn't see that because it was off camera. I'm going to also torque this to manufacturer's spec off camera. I'm going to use some brake cleaner, but for right now, we're going to, actually wait. Got some right here. Make sure you have a suitable pan or rag underneath of it if you're doing it out. If you're doing it outside, make sure you have like some type of diaper or pan or cardboard or something to catch it. Okay, it's nice and clean now. We're gonna go down back on the ground. I'm up in the air right now, as you can see, and I'm gonna show you how to fill it. Okay, on this particular model, this plug right here, it's not a dipstick. It is just a tag. This one's still good. It says HCF2. So you put your funnel in here. I'm using the Valvoline CVT fluid on this one. On the back, it actually says that it's for Honda HCF-2. I'm going to pour 4 quarts in there. Bloom, bloom, bloom. It's a little bit more than I got out, but 4 quarts will be a... Okay, now after we get it filled, what we have to do is, on this model, actually you check. I'm going to start it up. I'm going to go through the gears. Push button here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go, I had it started already, but I'm going to go through. You sit in reverse for 10 or 15 seconds. Go to neutral. Drive. You basically just go down each gear about 8, 10, 12 seconds. Get the fluid warmed up. Go back up, 5-second count, neutral, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. And you'll feel it clunk in. Keep your foot on the brake, don't let it move. I'm up in the air right now, so it's not gonna move anyway, but go back into park. Once you're done that, you shut it off, and then we go out and we check the level. All right, on this particular model, so the drain plug is here. I've already refilled it, but now I gotta check the level. So I went through all the gears, which you saw. Now you pull out this plug. This is called the check plug. It's a 12mm with the engine off. You're gonna pull this out, and if fluid runs out of it, then we'll let it get to a steady drip. All right, so this tells me that I'm gonna add some because I want it to run out of that hole. So I'm gonna go up top, you guys stay here, and I'm gonna add some. All right, I'm gonna add about a quarter of a quart, a half a quart maybe. Get this draining. Okay, I put some in there. When this slows down, pretty good slow, pretty good drip. What does that mean, pretty good slow? You're so dumb. I risked my life up on the ladder to pour this in there. But once this gets pretty slow, we'll put the plug back in. Okay, that's pretty slow. Let's put this plug back in. That was nice clean fluid too. Because we just serviced it and we ran it, so I'm very happy with that. Okay, we'll snug that down. Alright, we'll clean that off with some Brooklyn. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. And that's how you check it. There's no dipstick. You just check right here, and this is the check plug, this is the fill plug. So I used a little bit more than 4 quarts of fluid, and what was strange is I actually took out a little bit less than 4, so it tells me it was about a half a quart low. So I hope this helps. Thanks, guys.